Top 5 Best High-Quality UHD 4K Camcorder Camera. Top 1. Sony FDR-X43 UHD 4K Handycam Camcorder, 4K 116:9 Video Optimized 1/2. 5 inches XMR Low Light CMOS Sensor, Built-in Gimbal, Balanced Optical Steady Shot Image Stabilizer, 20x Optical Zoom and Clear Image Zoom of 30x for 4K 1/40x for HD2. Fast Intelligent AF Tracks Focus to Captures Decisive Moments, 26. 8mm 2-wide-angle Zeiss Vario Sonarity Zoom Lens, Digital Zoom, 250, Max Focal Length, 536, Video Capture Resolution, 720p. Image Stabilization, Digital, and Top 2. Canon VIXIA HF-G70 Camcorder 1/2.3 4K UHD CMOS Sensor 20x Optical Zoom, 800x Digital Zoom, Image Stabilization, HDMI, USB Live Streaming, Timestamp On-Screen Display Recording, 4K Sensor and DIGIC Divide 6 Image Processor deliver crisp, sharp 4K UHD images, while an 8-blade aperture achieves cinema-style out-of-focus highlights. On-screen display, OSD, timestamp recording embeds date, time, timecode and other data in your original camera files. UVC live streaming, stream HD video directly from the camera via UVC1 to a PC or Mac computer. Powerful 20x optical zoom and advanced image stabilization. Adjustable focusing speeds and advanced hybrid AF system provide fast and precise focusing with face detection. Top 3. Panasonic X1600 4K Camcorder for Directors, Wide-Angle Telephoto Lens with 24x Zoom, Hybrid OIS, 4K High-Precision AF with Face Detection, Heat Dispersing Design, Wireless Controls, HCX1600, Compact 4K 60p Camcorder, made for directors, lightweight and portable, with a high-capacity battery for up to 6 hours and 10 minutes of shooting, 60 Hz. Compact, well-balanced body is perfect for capturing moments wherever you are. Wide lens and powerful zoom, from 25mm wide-angle to 600mm telephoto with 24x optical zoom, plus zoom for up to 32x in 4K and 48x in FHD, ideal for a wide range of shots. 35mm camera equivalent, 4K high-precision autofocus, face detection locks onto subjects, preventing focus and exposure issues. Color recognition keeps moving subjects in focus. Top 4. Sony 4K 1 CMOS 1-inch sensor NXCAM Professional Camcorder, 1.0 Type XMR RS CMOS sensor, 20x zoom lens, 24 to 480mm f2.8 f4.5, AI-based autofocus, auto-framing, built-in electronic variable ND filter. Top 5. Panasonic AGCX350 4K Professional Video Camcorder with 2-pack 64GB SanDisk memory card plus case plus tripod plus wide-angle lens plus LED flash plus microphone plus filter kit plus Z-Tech accessory bundle. Panasonic AGCX350 4K Camcorder, International Model, 1-inch MOS sensor, 20x optical, 32x intelligent zoom, UHD 4K, 1080p, variable frame rate, supports LANC control, 2x media card slot, HLG recording, 3.2 inches LCD screen, OLED viewfinder, individual zoom, focus, iris rings, front-mounted mic with front audio level, TC in out, 3G SDI, HDMI out, USB 3.0, USB 2.0 host, LAN port. 20x optical zoom lens has a 35mm focal length equivalent to 24.5 to 490mm. 24.5 is an extremely wide angle for a UHD camcorder. It features 5-axis hybrid image stabilization in both 4K and HD, which can be useful when hand-holding the camcorder.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.